So you have an FJ Cruiser and you're looking for a lockable bolt-in drawer that requires no drilling to install. It's big enough to fit an off-road jack inside and still have space to put a fridge on top. This is the Savuti drawer by Big Country 4x4 from South Africa. Big Country's Savuti drawers are made from galvanized steel and powder-coated aluminum. All drawers have a 2-key lockable latch and a carpeted half-inch plywood deck secured with stainless steel hardware. The FJ Cruiser drawer has a face that slopes out to match the door trim, and the interior is finished in a finer grain automotive carpet to reduce noise. Inside, there's 31 gallons of useful space, and it does come with a partition that can be removed or adjusted. All the hardware is supplied to install the Savuti drawer without any drilling required. Front and rear OEM bolt-down brackets, 2 sets of L brackets for the side trim, and 2 drawer face side panels for a clean finish. Thanks for watching, and check out ruggedbound.com for pricing and availability.